this is just a quick way to stretch out your hip flexors and the quads, the psoas, if you have trouble getting on the floor on your knees. So you can use a chair for this stretch, or you can use your bench. So you just get on the one leg on the bench, just have that other leg to the side. You just want to lean forward into that lunge. And make sure to have a slight posterior tilt here and bring in those hips forward. You're gonna feel a really nice stretch here all along your hip flexors, your inner thighs, as well as the psoas. So just make sure to keep that posterior tilt slightly. You don't want to be overarching your lower back, then you're just gonna lose that stretch. So make sure to bring those lower abs in, bringing in those hips. So just moving forward here. And coming back and switching sides. So same thing. Just bringing in those hips and slightly lower abs in and just moving forward. And coming back. So here we'll use the bench again or the chair to get a nice stretch for the adductors. Just lengthen this leg, keep your feet forward. This is just gonna help open up your hips and release any tightness in here in the adductors, which can contribute to lower back pain. And we'll switch sides. So you want to hold each stretch for 10 to 20 seconds per side, and you can do these stretches 2 times a day because these muscles tend to get tight, especially if you're sitting for too long. Just get up and you can do the stretch using your chair. Standing, you don't have to get on the floor, and if you do have any knee pain getting on the floor, this is also a great way to stretch these muscles standing. And make sure to grab the performance stretching guide if you have issues in your hips. And if you have an issue with deep gluteal pain, also known as performance syndrome, make sure to grab the performance stretching guide because it has the best and also the worst stretches you want to avoid, specific for the hips and the performance, and it also includes some video tutorial and releases. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.